Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the trends, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and we were talking about this thing from past many days, that if the price, it was able to hold up this 100 EMA level, then we would have seen a very good upside momentum. But since now it wasn't able to hold it, so there is a good fall in the price that we have seen in the recent past time. Now what we can see, we can take up a support and resistance level, and since the price is now trading at a very below level, so we can just take up a support area at around 17,552. This can act as the immediate resistance level, and now we can expect that price will somewhere the price will somewhere consolidate or take a support here. So the support level will be at 16,240, 240, and this is these are the levels where we can take it for the Bitcoin, and thinking that the price will just hold up and just take up a support here. And if in case if the price just break this level, this support level, then we can take another 15,650 level as the support too. But looking at the current momentum, we can expect that the price will able to reach little towards the upside, and we might able to see that the price will reach up to the resistance level of 17,552 as well. So this is for the Bitcoin. And if you look at the Ethereum, so similar thing can be seen in the Ethereum, and you can see that here also the price tried to just trade above this 100 EMA, tried for many days, but it wasn't able to cross over this 200 EMA. That is a very you can say a very good and very confirmed indicator. If the price was able to trade higher than 200 EMA, then we would have seen a very good upside momentum in this particular cryptocurrency, but that doesn't happen. And now because the price is now trading below, and it's just we have seen a fall. So the price is now taking up a support at around 1215. So we can take this level as the support level, and we can take a resistance at around 1275. So the price is basically trading in a very small and tight range, and let us see when we'll be getting a breakout from this particular area from this range. And once that that will happen, then we will be able to decide where the price can go, because this is something where the after a good fall, the price is just stabilizing, and because of that the consolidation, the price is basically taking up a support at around 1250, and it's just trading flat at this level. So yes, expectation is that the price will be trading here, because we are getting very less volumes as well. So the breakout needs to have good volume, and once we have that, then we will see where we can even decide a direction or something like that if for the near particular term. So this is something you can look for the Ethereum. And again if you are trading in the cryptocurrencies, so you can just trade with very cautious trade. You can take very cautious trades, and because this is a very volatile market, and since we have seen that because of no reason we have seen a good volatility in this particular asset class. So yes, trade with less capital, or trade with very you can say your capital should be very much managed by you, so your risk, you can manage your risk as well. And I think this is all from my side, so we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, happy trading, be safe in the market, and thank you so much for watching me.